Landing pages and websites may look quite similar, but their ultimate goals can be quite different. When we look at a website, one of the first things that stands out is the navigation bar. There's ways to get to the different pages on a website because most websites are multiple pages with a bunch of different content for each page. Now comparing that to a landing page has limited content, limited imagery, and a singular call to action. In this case, an email sign-up form. When creating a landing page, you want to keep a few things in mind. A landing page has a single, clear call to action, like just shown in that previous example. It also has text that describes why somebody should interact with that call to action, or images and video that support that text, all with that singular drive for that person to take action. Of course, there are a couple of things you want to avoid when building your landing page. A landing page shouldn't have a way to navigate away. There aren't multiple pages to a landing page. There's no navigation bar to confuse the visitor. The text should be focused and shouldn't be confusing. It should tell people exactly what they need to do on the landing page, and you should avoid too many calls to action. A single call to action is the best way to get people to actually interact the way you want them to on that landing page. It's super easy to build a landing page inside of Aweber. It's absolutely free to sign up, so why not give it a try today?